Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove contacts in Messenger. The process is really simple. The process is similar for mobile as well as for iOS devices, so nothing to worry about it if you are on mobile. First, make sure that you are connected with internet. Once you are connected with internet, go and open your Messenger app, which should automatically log you in once you open it up. And here are all of my chats, and whenever I want to see what's going on, I can select people to see who is active right now. You can also tap stories over here to see new stories. Simply put all the contacts that you might have on your Messenger or the friend that you still have on your Facebook account. But if you have added someone or having a chat with someone who is not a friend on Facebook, they won't be here on your Messenger unless you have added them or something. To remove a contact from this, you must first remove them from your Facebook account. So you must first block someone from your Facebook account to be able to remove them from your Messenger. However, you can still delete any conversation by pressing and holding on their profile picture and then selecting delete, which will simply delete their conversation. You can also mute them by pressing on their profile and then clicking over here, scrolling down a little bit and then selecting other, ignore or block, and these are the only options for deleting them from here. So if you delete someone or remove a contact from your Messenger, you should be aware that it will also be removed from your Facebook profile, and that's how.